Hello mga mix, in this video we have for any number n not equal to 0, show that n raised to 0 equals 1. Here we go. 0 is the sum of two opposite numbers. So we can rewrite this as n raised to 0 is equal to n raised to 1 times n raised to negative 1. This is correct because when you multiply powers of the same bases, you add exponents. So 1 plus minus 1, that is equal to 0. So this is the transformation of n raised to 0 at the left side. Now, this n raised to negative 1 can be written as 1 over n. This is the positive transformation from n raised to power that is negative. Then, multiplying these two, you have n over n because n times 1 is n over n. Now, n divided by n is equal to 1. So, for any number not equal to 0, if raised to 0 is equal to 1. Thank you.